Okay, let's get started. There's different ways of cutting your bangs, but this is how I do it, okay? So I'm gonna part from here at the end of my eye and go up, it's right here. I'm going to part diagonally. Okay, I'm gonna put this behind here. So it looks like this, okay? On the other side, you wanna do the same. Side, gonna go at the end of my eye, I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna do that diagonally. I'm gonna put the rest behind me. This is the important part, okay? If you want your hair to lay this way, then you gonna have to pull it this side to cut, okay? And if you want to lay this side, of course, then you pull it on this side to cut. Okay, so it's the opposite side you want. In my case, I wanted my hair like this, so I'm gonna pull it over here to cut. Okay, and what you do is you can use your finger, but I'm gonna use a clamp. Okay, to let you show, just to let you see this. Okay, it's about here where your mouth is. Okay, yeah. Okay, you're gonna twist once, and you're gonna lay it straight. Okay, do you see that diagonal line right here? You're gonna move it down to here, and you're gonna cut diagonally like this. Okay. Okay, so it's going to look like this when you're done. See? See how it goes like that? Yeah. Okay, and what you do is you take this and you're gonna put it straight like this, and then you're gonna cut upward like this. You're gonna thin it out. Okay. Could look like that. Okay, there you go. Ta-da! Okay, and so you can use this right here. Kind of curve it under if you want, or you can curve it over. So how did it look?